White blood cells play a vital role in the body's immune system.
It sounds like Amy Witherspoon is studying for her next anatomy test.
The heart is the muscle that pumps blood.
But in actuality, she's working on the next generation of teaching tools.
We study self-regulated learning about complex science topics. I'm particularly interested in how students use text and diagrams to learn about complex science topics like the circulatory system and digestive system, capillaries.
In the Department of Psychology's Cognition Technology Lab at the University of Memphis, Amy is working on new ways to teach science to high school students.
The program that I developed tries to facilitate students' integration of text and diagrams by using an integration scaffolding technique, and that just helps them to locate the relevant portions of the screen on the diagram.
As students follow the text on, for example, the circulatory system with the computer mouse,
certain words are going to be underlined in blue and highlighted.
The important words are linked to a diagram, which highlights that item so the student can see it visually as well as read about it.
So if they're reading about blood flow through the heart, if they scroll over the term left atrium, that portion of the diagram, the left atrium, will be highlighted at that time.
According to Amy, students sometimes have trouble following conventional diagrams because they don't know which parts are relevant to what they are reading.
This is supposed to kind of highlight that part of the diagram so that they can narrow their focus, narrow their attention to the relevant portions of the diagram, and then hopefully they'll develop better conceptual understanding of the complex science topic.
In the future, Amy and her group hope to move into a richer media environment called hypermedia, which would be something like the Encarta Encyclopedia.
They can go anywhere within the environment, so we're trying to kind of like look at this in a more open-ended learning environment situation. And then from there, I mean, hopefully we would integrate this into the schools and see if it can scale up.
And so, while Amy may not need help on her anatomy test,
the heart is made of tissue that
she is working to provide help for students everywhere. For the University of Memphis, I'm Parker Hemphill, Junior, chemistry major.